Hello everyone, I'm Vidya. I work as an associate professor in the Department of English in Etharaj College for Women. Let me talk about my interests and pursuits. I'm a classical dancer and I've done quite a few stage performances. Um, Apart from that, I'm also a fitness trainer. I train men and women online. I also own a YouTube channel called Zone 2. I upload my workout videos and a lot of fitness tips on my channel. But most importantly, I'm a basketball player. My journey began way back in school. I'm a proud alumna of Holy Angels Higher Secondary School, T Nagar, passed out in the year 1997. The story began like this. I was in 7th or 8th standard, and our basketball coach thought that I was very tall. I was actually a little tall then, and he thought I would suit. I would really be an asset to the basketball team, and he sent the players to call me to play for the team. It was a hilarious moment for me, because I was taken aback when the students came and called me to play basketball. I was in the 7th or 8th standard then. I used to run around the school, whenever these girls came to call me, I used to just run off into the corridors, and the corridors know my story better actually. I used to just run into the corridors and not, try not to be seen by them. But then finally, somehow, they got me into playing basketball, and then there was no stopping me. I just loved the game, and I started to put in a lot of effort, and I became so much passionate about the game, and that is what has brought me here. Our school sisters and our teachers were very supportive throughout my basketball journey. I should mention Sister Rosalie Paul, Sister Mary Lobo, Sister Mary Zakaria, and our teachers, Mrs. Meenakshi, Mrs. Aif, Mrs. Rebecca, Mrs. Cecilia, and all of them. I don't know, I just have to name all of them. And a special mention to our PT teachers, late Mrs. Anameri, Mrs. Daisy, and all others, my friends, all of them who used to help me with coping with the subjects taken in class, right? When I used to be away for tournaments, and the love of the teachers and the friends and our sisters has brought me where I am today. Thanks to my coach, late Mr. Nitya Kalyanam, who identified the talent in me. If not for him, I wouldn't have started playing basketball at all. Though it is a very, I'm referring to it in a very comical way that, he sent students behind me to, make me play and all that. I still have that gratitude in me, because if not for him, as I told you, I wouldn't be playing basketball at all. And then, he helped me so much in my career until I passed out of school. He used to coach me, coach the whole team. He, I think, was one of the best coaches ever, right? And since he coached me so well, I got an opportunity to represent the country in 1998. I was then out of school and in college, but still I came back to our school ground to practice. I used to run all alone, around the arena, and I really practiced very hard. I put in a lot of effort to get into the Indian team, and there was a lot of support from my coach, from my teachers, my parents, and my friends. I've represented our country at the junior level in the Asian Basketball Confederation. Apart from that, I have represented our state 8 times, 3 times at the junior level and 5 times at the senior level. And I've also represented Madras University for 7 times. Among those, we won 3 times consecutively. And the first time we won the title, I was the captain of the side, and it was the first time ever the girls team won the inter-university All India title. During my basketball career, I have won quite a number of awards like Best Player Award, Most Promising Player, etc. And I am so grateful and happy for all my achievements. Though there was a break in my journey, I resumed playing basketball, and now I represent the state and the country at the Masters Games tournaments. Recently, I represented India in the Masters Games tournament held at Penang, Malaysia, and we won the gold medal. The Holy Angels Alumni Association has been doing a phenomenal job in recognizing and acknowledging the achievements of the alumni of our school. Sports teaches us a lot of things, a lot of values for life. It teaches us discipline, teamwork, hard work, and also confidence. It also teaches us perseverance. It teaches us that we should never give up. It helps us identify our potential. It also helps us identify our limitations and how to go beyond that. Sports teaches us a lot of things. And Holy Angels, my alma mater, it has taught me to live life the right way. It has taught me discipline. It has taught me all things that I need to live a happy and satisfied life. Thanks to my school, teachers, sisters, my parents, and also my classmates and friends from school. They have been pillars of support throughout my journey.